This is a demo video on SICOM3000 Profinet connection, okay, using CoDeSys runtime. Okay, over here is a CoDeSys runtime. I already open up the CoDeSys. Okay, what I'm going to do is if you take a look at the video, okay, let me put a bigger. Okay, if you take a look at the video, this red cable is actually from my CoDeSys runtime, okay, and it's connecting to a Profinet. This is a Profinet slave, okay, another device, okay, followed by okay, this blue cable is connecting somewhere else, okay. So notice this is port 1, 2, 3, okay, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, take note of this. Okay, so let me change this to a smaller view. Okay, so over here what I'm going to do is I'm going to create add a device which is a Profit Ethernet port, and I'm going to add a Profinet master. Okay, so what I can do now, okay, so over here let me add more device. Okay, so the device I'm going to add is a network component, which is this SICOM3000. Okay, you need to import this what you call that, GDSML file or something like this. Yeah, so after you install that file, you should be able to see this, and you do a double click, okay, and you get to see this. Okay, one thing which is very important is the Profinet name. Okay, so this is the Profinet name, station name. Okay, and it should be the same. It should be the same as per the the device. So let's reach out to the device. Let me open up a browser. Okay, let's hold for a while. Let me open up a browser. And 192.168.0.2, okay, .2 is the default IP address. Okay, go to this admin, user is admin, password is 123, followed by followed by this code, verification code. Okay, and you're able to reach out to here. Okay, first thing first, you need to set the Profinet to enable, okay, which I did already. Okay, the second thing is the name. Okay, so the name of the okay, where do I get the name? Okay, so this is the name. Okay, this is the name of the system name. Okay, and okay, let's try to change this name to the name that is been over here. Copy and paste and submit. Okay, so now I change the name to this name. Okay, so probably if you have multiple slave device, then probably you need to sort of have a different name. Okay, for my case, this is the name. Okay, and it turned out to be so. If you watch my video, okay, there's a yellow cable connecting to another slave device. Okay, right click, and that device is actually at the device, and that device is actually IO over here, and I think it's this guy, 16. Yeah, so by default it's already preset as did I get it? No. Oh, I think I didn't get it. Or let me right click again. Double click. It's not. Oh, okay, it's responding. It's just that my PC is slow. Okay, good. So probably if for just to make it work, over here the empty right click and plug a device, and the device should be this. Let me plug it. Okay, so I already wrote some simple program, which is the general copy. Let's say it's over here. So we have a variable of general. Okay. Then we also have a variable of link. Okay, let me try. I think it's over here. Okay, and we have port alarm input and port alarm output. Okay, good. Okay, so now we're going to, there's a topology over here. Okay, there's a topology over here. Okay, let's connect that topology. Okay, so if you take a look at my video, the red cable, which is my runtime, okay, which is my controller, is actually connected to the SICOM port number 1, 2, 3. So I select port number 3, double click. Okay, so automatic there will be also a connection over here. Okay, and my and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is connecting to the this device, and it's connecting to port 1. Okay, yeah, that's all. That's all. Okay, now reach out to this. Okay, let's save this program. And okay, for CoDeSys, probably I need to do a download first. Okay, let me check my runtime. Okay, it's off. Okay, let me switch it on again. Okay, let me check for connection. Yeah. Okay, and do a login. Okay, the Ethernet is not configured. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. What I can do now is I reach out to this Ethernet and I do a configuration. And the configuration should be connecting to this Ethernet 2 port. Okay. Okay, the other thing is I need to, okay, this IP address is 2. Okay, set as 2. Okay, let me check the IP address. This is 3. Okay, good. So everything seems to be in line. Okay, the next thing I want to do is download again with the proper Ethernet connection, and it should get online. Let's run the program. Yeah, yeah. So it's good. Okay, so I may have some error here. Okay, and probably because this CoDeSys runtime on PC is not that good. So maybe I want to reduce the speed of the communication. Okay. By the way, for this thing is quite high already because it's a network switch. So the communication is not that high. Okay, let me turn on and log in again and re-download this. Then you should see less frequent of the connection being cut off. Okay. Okay, let me wait for a while. It's a bit slow. I can feel that it's a bit slow. Yeah. Okay. And I do a run. Okay, it's running. So if I'm how to verify is you go to this over here, the control over here, and take a look at the topology. This is the preset topology, okay, but you want to monitor it, you can press this button to monitor it. Unfortunately, it's not in a graphical form, it's more like a tree chart. Okay, how to interpret this is this is the network switch, and port number 3 is actually connecting to the controller port number 1, and port number 8 is connecting to this to port number 1. Okay, if I do a quick plug out from here, you see you will show that this is down. Okay, and yeah, I'm expect this green light to go off, but let me try to refresh this again. Yeah, okay, it's down. Okay, you need to press the refresh to get it work. Okay, somehow it's not okay. Okay, let's try to put it back. Okay, and refresh it again. Yeah, so this is the topology side. Okay, so let's go dive into the setting side. Okay, this is the setting. Okay, so in the event, but you may ask me what is the variable function of this variable over here, and it's actually recorded over here. Let me. Okay, this is the, so the first one is alarm status, power 1, power 2, ring, and 4. 4 is the ring status, which is so one okay, I think there's some mistake over here. Okay, because it should be the other way around. Okay, 1 is error, 0 is good. Okay, okay, let's try. Okay, now it's false. Now it's false. Okay, let's try simulate an error. Okay. Uh, okay, but before I do this simulation of error, I need to reach out to here. Okay, and click the alarm. Click the alarm alarm section, alarm setting. Okay. Oh, I need to log in again. 7PGA. Okay, and let's try to go to the alarm page. Okay, so I already enable the alarm for the power. Okay, if I didn't enable it, I think there will be no response. But if I enable it, okay, this alarm should come out. Okay, let me reach out to power 1. Okay, power 1, let me remove power 1, and you should see the error over here. Okay, please hold. Okay, take note, I just remove power 1, okay, and there's an indication of, okay, let me refresh this again. So power 2, oh, sorry, I messed up, I removed power 2, okay, just now somehow I removed power 2. Okay, and yeah, it shows that power 2 is true. That means there's a failure. Okay, and this is the overall alarm. Okay, so this is how you can over the Profinet information, you can get the status of the alarm. Okay, the other thing is the port data. These are the port data. Let me see if I can show this a bit. These are the port data, and there's no error now. Okay, okay. So what you can do is you reach out to this port setting, okay, and activate the port that you want to set the alarm. Okay, for my case, I want to set alarm port number 2. So port number 2 is actually over here, and let me turn on. Okay, let me turn on port number 2. Okay, so port number 2 is on. Okay, this is the indication that port number 2 is on. Okay, how do I know port number 2 is on? Okay, let me come up to here again. Port configuration, is it? So now there's an alarm on port number 2. Okay, so okay, let me do an auto refresh. It will keep refreshing. Yeah, so it will keep refreshing. Okay, so now if I okay, oh, I got some error here. I don't know what is the problem, but it's okay. Let's troubleshoot this later. Okay, let's go to the port data, and it's actually showing me the status. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove port number 2. Okay, so almost immediately I remove okay, let me auto flash this again. Yeah, it will indicate that it's down. Okay, and over here it also show me the status of port number 2 is down. Okay, is it down? Yeah, over here. So let me put it back, port number 2. It will go up. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. Okay, let me troubleshoot. Probably I'm opening up too much software, which is causing the problem to the runtime. Okay, let me see if now it's better. Let me acknowledge this. Let me acknowledge this again. Yeah, I think just now when I open up too much browser, it's affecting the operation. Yeah. Yeah. So with this, I end my presentation. Thank you.